Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add anchors in Constant Contact. All right. But first, the question is it possible? Well, the answer is no, but there is a workaround. All right. No, because in the current editor here, Constant Contact doesn't have anchor links or the function to have anchor links, but we do have hyperlinks. Okay. This one. So the workaround for that is that we'll have to use a simple table of contents for your readers or customers to understand, to easily navigate to your email. Okay. So generally, when someone refers to a table of content in an email, all right, it uses anchor links. And again, which they don't have in here. And as we all know, anchor links as an industry-wide practice are defunct since the vast majority of email clients like Gmail, Outlook, and etc. will typically spam filter emails containing these, or basically won't allow them to work on both their desktop and mobile clients. To create a table of contents, you can just easily use a simple text block right here. Go ahead and put it wherever you want, for example, in the first section of your email, like so. And just go ahead and type in table of contents, like so, like 1, enter 1.1, just like that. Okay. Introduction. What is your company? Then 2, like here we have investing 101, just like that for your audience to easily spot which interests them. Okay. For example, we have investing 101 at number 2. So we can scroll down to number 2 page and they will see investing 101. And of course, please bear in mind that emails are more likely to be spam filtered or simply cut off midway in most email clients, again, such as Gmail or Outlook, if they go past a certain length. All right. Again, depending on the email client. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.